Welcome back, everyone. Joining me now from Volunteers of America, North Louisiana, is Communications Director Tricia Joel and Director of Supportive Services for Veteran Families, Chris Redford. Welcome, guys.
Thank you.
Thanks for joining us today. Tricia, tell me about Volunteers of America.
Sure. Volunteers of America is a faith-based organization, and put simply, our mission statement is to provide opportunity, promote dignity, and inspire change in all who find their way to us. For over 85 years now, we've been in the Shreveport-Bossier area, and we are committed to reaching and uplifting the most vulnerable residents. And so those that we serve include children and families, seniors, veterans, and people with disabilities.
I got you. So a lot of different aspects.
Yeah.
But right now, let's focus on our veterans. How do you help our veterans?
Yes. Well, let's see. So in 2010, the VA Overton Brooks Medical Center approached Volunteers of America to begin serving homeless veterans in our community. So our first program is our Transitional Living Facility, which is a residential facility for veterans in need, and we provide shelter, food, and case management for veterans while the VA really addresses their medical and mental health needs. And so that was our first program, and since then we really have grown our veteran services to include many things, including our supportive services for veteran families.
So a lot of expansion, and Chris, I know this is kind of your area of expertise. So tell us about some of the services that VOA has provided for our veterans, especially during a time of COVID-19 and the pandemic.
Well, our mission through SSVF is there should never be a homeless veteran. We can take a homeless veteran, one who's experiencing homelessness, and get them housed. We can either put them in a shelter, in a transitional program like we were talking about, or we can put them in an apartment. We can help them with their rent and their bills and their move-in costs, because the most expensive part of moving in anywhere, it doesn't matter who you are, is all of the move-in costs, your deposits and everything. It just adds up, and if you're on the streets, even if you have a fixed income, you can't afford that all at once. So that's what SSVF does. And another main thing we do since COVID-19, the pandemic, is we prevent people from becoming homeless. A lot of people who rent, they may be behind on their on all of their rent, and even though there's a moratorium on evictions, we don't want them to come to us and say, okay, I owe 7 months back rent. Come to us now. Let us work with your landlord, and we're going to go, okay, we're going to go ahead and get you caught up so that when the moratorium is lifted, you're not, all of a sudden you have 20 days to be out. So we've got, the Veterans Administration has given us even more money because of COVID, and we've helped countless veterans and their families do this. And of course they do have to, qualify based on income, and all we ask and all we require is an honorable discharge.
That's simple. A lot of people get scared when they think about, am I going to be able to qualify for this? Will my family be able to receive these services? So you're saying that anybody can be eligible for these services if they reach out to you?
Yeah, they reach out to us. For an example, a single veteran can't make more than $19,850 a year. And, so a lot of people do qualify for that, especially, because of COVID. We have one veteran that's got 3 children, single dad, was working in the restaurant, and we all know how COVID has hit the restaurant industry, and he had no idea we existed until he reached out. The VA let him know, and we've been able to work with his landlord, and he's housed. We've been able to help with his bills, and so he's returned back to a confident, more comforting normal until this is lifted and he can go back to work full time.
That's wonderful news, and that's what it's all about, is about helping people. So for helping people, Tricia, I know there are great ways for you to get involved. We're going to put some information up on the screen so folks can find out how they can be a volunteer, how they can donate, how they can help support the VOA. Tricia, Chris, thank you guys so much for coming in today.
Thanks for having us.
No, anytime. Guys, make sure to check out our website, arklatex homepage.com. We'll have that info up there for you, and we'll be back with more Loving Living Local right after the break.